If you had only 1 week in Vietnam, would South Vietnam be enough? Could you experience country's culture, food, history and beaches all in one trip? In this video, we are answering exactly that while helping you plan the perfect South Vietnam itinerary. From bustling city life and floating markets to tropical island and peaceful rivers, South Vietnam offers a completely different experience. In this video, I will show you everything that you need to know before planning your trip, including the best route, how many days you need, where to stay, where to eat, and whether South Vietnam alone is worth or not. So let's get started. South Vietnam is all about energy, diversity and tropical landscape. Unlike North Vietnam, which is famous for mountains and cooler weather, or Central Vietnam, which has historical towns and beaches, South Vietnam offers modern skyline of Ho Chi Minh, historic landmark from Vietnam War, beautiful Mekong Delta, floating markets, tropical islands like Phu Quoc, white sand beaches, vibrant nightlife, amazing street food, coffee culture and easy day trips. If you are someone who enjoys city life mixed with nature, beaches, food and culture, South Vietnam won't disappoint you. Let's move to our first section, which is best time to visit. So South Vietnam has tropical climate throughout the year, so it's mostly dry or wet. December to April is the dry season where weather is pleasant, there is less rainfall. This time is perfect for sightseeing and great for island hopping. The shoulder months here are May and November. The weather is still good and you might get some good deals during this time. June to October is the rainy season, but don't let the word rainy scare you because most shower here lasts for just like 1 hour before the sunshine returns. If you are planning to visit during this time, you will see fewer tourists, greener landscape, lower hotel prices and some great travel deals, but some of the outdoor activities might be impacted. Now let's talk about the perfect route and to cover this route in how many days. If you have 1 week, start your South Vietnam trip with Ho Chi Minh. Here you can easily spend 3 days. You can cover Notre Dame Cathedral, Ben Thanh Market, Nguyen Hue Market Street, Independence Palace, War Remnant Museum, Cafe Apartments, Bui Vien Street and Cu Chi Tunnels. On day 4, you can take a day trip to Mekong Delta and don't miss the river cruises here. For your day 5, 6 and 7, you can fly to Phu Quoc Island, relax at the beaches, you can visit Sao Beach, Sunset Town, Hon Thom Cable Car Experience, Grand World, Win Wonders, Safari and the famous night market here. So let me summarize how many days you need for South Vietnam. You can cover South Vietnam in 4 days if you are only planning to cover Ho Chi Minh City and Cu Chi Tunnel. If you have 6 to 7 days planned for your vacation, then you can easily add Mekong Delta or Phu Quoc Island in your itinerary, and this is the most ideal span for most of the travelers. If you have more days, say about 9 to 10 days, you can explore everything comfortably without rushing. This is perfect balance of cities, beaches and countryside. Now let me tell you where to stay in each of these cities. So when you are in Ho Chi Minh, there are 2 major areas where you can stay. Those are District 1 and District 3. District 1 has so many attractions nearby at walking distance and there are so many restaurants, nightlife, cafes and shopping experiences nearby. District 3 on the other hand is quieter and more local experience. This is still close to many of the attractions and if you like a quieter place, you can opt for this area. In Phu Quoc, you can plan to stay near one of the main beaches which are Long Beach. So this is perfect for sunset and nightlife. Then comes your Duong Dong Beach. This is best for markets, restaurants and convenience. Third one is Ong Lang Beach. This is great for couples and peaceful vacations. Talking about Vietnamese food that you must try when you are in South Vietnam. So South Vietnam has sweeter flavors compared to North Vietnam. When you are here, don't miss the broken rice which is also called com tam, then the ban xeo, hue tieu, banh mi, the fresh spring rolls, seafood, coconut coffee, Vietnamese iced coffee, sugarcane juices and the tropical fruits. If you are vegetarian, you will still find plenty of options here, especially in Ho Chi Minh and Phu Quoc Island. So is South Vietnam enough? This is one of the most common questions. If you are visiting Vietnam for the first time and have only 5 days, South Vietnam alone makes it an excellent trip. It offers the mix of vibrant city life, history, river culture, beaches, and fantastic food, all with excellent connectivity. However, if you have 10 to 14 days, combining South Vietnam with Central or North gives you much more complete experience. Every region has its own unique personality, and together they showcase the incredible diversity that Vietnam has to offer. That's it from this video. If you are planning a Vietnam trip, don't miss my complete guides to North Vietnam and Central Vietnam as well. They will help you build the perfect itinerary based on the time and interest that you have. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel video, and let me know in the comments which part of Vietnam you'd love to visit the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering!